Difficulty in controlling the COVID-19 pandemic is mainly due to the slow rollout and unreliable accessibility of SARS-CoV-2 diagnostic testing. The most common method for COVID-19 testing is shown here. This workflow presents several disadvantages. For one, the sample collection using swabs requires healthcare workers to wear expensive personal protective equipment or PPE. The swabs can be uncomfortable for the patients during collection. Moreover, RNA extraction is a bottleneck in terms of the required time and labor and availability of equipment and reagents, making the current testing process costly. Saliva is a striking option when considering sample collection alternatives because SARS-CoV-2 is known to be detected through oral shedding.
Using saliva as a sample poses a potential for fast and easy self-collection, thus minimizing the need for direct contact between healthcare provider and patient and consequent conservation of PPE.
In this regard, we at the Manila Health Tech aim to develop a saliva self-collection kit that can be flexibly utilized for COVID-19 testing using the direct saliva to RRT-PCR method and using other RNA extraction methods. In these trying times, the role of scientific research is louder than ever. Manila Health Tech believes in the ingenuity of the Filipino scientists to pursue the betterment of Filipino people and beyond through our research and development programs.
We tested various media as solutions that will serve as a sample collection reagent. These media were all tested through various extraction methods to assess their compatibility. For our experimental setup, we added saliva to the different solutions and alicode a certain volume to a microcentrifuge tube, vortexed the mixture, heat it at 95 degrees Celsius using a dry bath incubator, then ran the RRT-PCR assay using our COVID-19 PCR detection kit. Using solution empty as a saliva sample medium produced the best results. Thus, solution empty can be utilized as a saliva sample medium through the heating method or the direct saliva to RRT-PCR method. Moreover, it can also be used using the manual RNA purification or extraction method and the automated extraction method. After determining our saliva sample solution, we assembled our GenAmplify SalivaFast COVID-19 self-collection kit, which includes the following.
Precision can be determined by repeat testing of samples. The precision of an analytical procedure expresses the closeness of agreement between a series of measurements obtained from multiple sampling of the same homogeneous sample under prescribed conditions.
We have established that our COVID-19 saliva self-collection kit and the direct saliva to RRT-PCR method are repeatable and precise.
We also compare the RRT-PCR results using two other COVID-19 RRT-PCR detection kits available in the market. We have established that our COVID-19 saliva self-collection kit and the direct saliva to RRT-PCR method are also compatible using these two COVID-19 kits besides our own.
The analytical sensitivity of an assay is its ability to detect a low concentration of a given substance in a biological sample.
In this research, the analytical sensitivity was calculated based on a PCR run using 8 replicates of 7 sample concentrations. Here, we reported a saliva self-collection method and a direct and sensitive diagnostic method for SARS-CoV-2 that is operationally simple, is cost-effective, and can be readily adopted by other laboratories.
The SalivaFast COVID-19 self-collection kit as a form of empowering people to be able to collect appropriate sample in the comforts and in the isolation of their homes. They don't need to go to laboratories wherein there are a lot of people on queue, so they can just collect and send or drop their samples to a satellite laboratory or collection sites for the SalivaFast samples. And that's the main goal of the SalivaFast technology that the Manila Health Tech has actually put together.